From the Philippine side po, patuloy yung ating restrictions, deferment na itinalaga pa ho nung panahon ni Jollibee Renara, Secretary Toots Ople at pinaigting pa ho. Nung panahon po ni Jollibee Renara, ang pinataw ho ni Secretary Toots Ople is a deferment with respect to first-time workers, tinignan na maigi ang work experience. From the Kuwaiti side, meron po silang pinataw na sarili nilang ban na pangkalahatan, including skilled workers. So nang malaunan ay ang Kuwaiti side po ay linif yung sa side nila na ban for the skilled workers and the returning workers. But we retained our own deferment policy, Mr. Senator, nung panahon pa na iniulat sa inyo ito ni Secretary Toots at pinaigting pa ho natin. Bukod sa bawal ang first-timers, dinagdagan pa ho natin ng whitelisting, yung recruitment agencies from the Kuwaiti and Philippine side, kailangan po malinis ang track record.